how's it going? Today we're going to draw a spooky skull with a candle on it. So it's a really cool visual, so I think you'll really like this. This is for beginners, and it is step by step. Stay for the entire video because it's only 8 minutes, and in 8 minutes you will have a new skill. So it's very, very simple, and if you stick with it. Also, if you love how to draw Halloween, like videos and tutorials, click the subscribe and click the bell notification. That's going to let you know when I post. Alright, so let's get started with this skull with a candle on it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the skull itself. So I'm going to draw a curved line here for the back of the head. Go over here to the front. Down. Out here. Down. For kind of the brow. Out here. All the way down for the kind of the front of the face and the jaw. Pull a line out here for the front of the chin and jaw. Back here for the kind of jaw area. Pulling up. Alright. Gonna go over here, curve a line back in here for the back of the skull. Gonna draw the far side eye. It's kind of like a square shape almost, but a little bit rounded out. Gonna go over here and draw this eye socket. It's gonna be a little bit bigger because it's near us. Line over here at the top. Down. Line over here. Down. Down here. Up here. For kind of like a home plate symbol for the mouth. Oops, it is. Gonna go over here. Gonna draw a straight line across for where the parting of the mouth is. Curve up here. Curve up here. Out over here, down, in. Up, back. Doing good. Right on. Gonna go over here, draw down, 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 down. That's gonna be, well, one more over here. It's gonna be basically you're shortcutting the kind of teeth area. You're kind of drawing it across there. It's gonna show the teeth. And I'm gonna fill in the eye socket area. Okay. I'm gonna fill in the home plate symbol for the nose. Line over here, line over here. Pull a line back a little bit for the far side cheekbone. I'm going to fill that in. This side as well. It's going to be dark there. And I'm going to draw dark over here. There tends to be like a hole there behind the teeth. Doing good? Alrighty. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of a wiggly line. It's going to be like wax, but it's gonna look like gack or something like that for the base of the candle. Curve up here, curve up here. I'm gonna draw a line up here, starting out that candle. Top. Curve, top, curve, down here for kind of that drippiness as well of the wax. And all it is these wavy shapes. It's nothing too complicated. It's just these wavy shapes. Cross, curve down. Go over here and I'm going to draw that zigzagging of that fire shape. It's like a jaggedy teardrop or something. Gonna draw more simple shape on the inside. Oops, it's gonna be thinner though, with thinner lines. And I might draw right here like a long kind of like waxiness falling down. Something like almost like somebody slimed them like pizza or something. And I think that helps a lot to sell the illusion that this is, you know, wax over here. Over here at the top, for the top of the brow here. We draw another line over here for the bottom of the brow. Line over here as well. Right on. I'm going to draw a thicker line here at the base, kind of at the bottom, because I want it to look like there's more shadow over here, right? Like it's more grounded because the light's just coming from above here. And I'm going to draw these, you can draw these little flickery, just straight lines right here for, you know, kind of showing that there is light. All right, and there you go. That is a candle on a skull. Hopefully you found that very cool. There's a free gift for you in the description. It is free Halloween drawing templates. They are free this year. Normally they're not. Basically, this is a product for the last 2 years. This year, I am just completely giving it away for free because, you know, it's been kind of a rough year for a lot of people, a year and a half. So I just want to give that to you as a gift from this channel. Go get that. Like I said, it's the very first link in the description. If you got value from this channel and you want to give back, there's one thing you can do above all that will help this channel out, and that is to share the video. When you share the video, it will kind of help the algorithm out and will bring a lot of cool people onto the channel that normally haven't been here. But yeah, that's pretty much the biggest thing. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know. You can always say hi to me in the comments. I'm very easy to reach. And that is it. I will talk to you next time, and we will speak very soon, okay? So stay spooky.